So what I'm going to want to do when I solve these problems is I'm going to want to first name all the different sides of the shape that we're going to have. So we're going to have EF, FG, GH, and HE. From there, the first thing I have to do is determine that it's a parallelogram. So in order to do that, I need to find the slopes of every single one of those sides. So I find EF. Oh, it would help if I did this right. 2 minus 3, -1 minus -4 gives me -1 over 3. FG. This gives me -3 over -1, so that one's 3. GH. Gives me +1 over -3. And HE. Okay, so from these slopes, I've determined that I have 2 sets of parallel lines. So it's for sure a parallelogram. Also, if I look at those 2 lines, I have 2 sets of opposite reciprocals, -1/3 and 3. That tells me that those lines intersect perpendicularly, which means that they have right angles. So when I see -1/3 and 3, I know this is also a rectangle. Finally, what I need to look at is see if all of the sides are the same. So I'm going to go through and I'm going to take 2 sides, so EF and FG, and find the distance of those sides. -2, this is going to be 1, squared is 1, plus 9, I have square root of 10. Ooh, sorry, y'all. My brain just went elsewhere. So my 2 sides also have equal lengths. Therefore, this is all 4 shapes. It's a rhombus, a rectangle, and a square. Rhombus, rectangle, square, parallelogram. Since they have the same slopes, the slopes are opposite perpendiculars, and the 2 consecutive sides are the same length, it falls in the category of a parallelogram, rectangle, rhombus, square.